not only one of the largest birds here, but it is also in one of the best condition birds here. Condition today was a hard thing to go through. That bird is almost perfect, but not perfect. This bird here is a little bit smaller, if you can see it, but it's in real good condition. I need a stick. Give me a stick. I really love this bird. I guess if you want to see it, you have to come look at it. But it's a beautiful cinnamon pearl pied. This is stunning. Very proud. I like that bird very much. This bird here behaves just like this all day long. He didn't move. He's in good condition. And you ask, why didn't he win? Well, I really can't say, but this bird showed better, and he was kind of tired. Just little things you have to nitpick when you're judging an ankle, but this is a wonderful bird. Now we get down to the rare, and this is a very nice rare. Little out of condition, but for a rare, it's a good sized bird. I really like this bird. Had good substance, but they all had faults, so I had to pick the fault. This is a very nice white face, good condition, stood well. He's a little, not quite the substance of this bird here. Just didn't have quite the size. This second Lutino, very pretty, but was a little out of condition and didn't sit as well. But it deserves to be up here. This is a really nice cinnamon hen, but she just wasn't better than this one. So she stayed there. Her wings are all out of sorts. Like this pearl, but when she sat, she made herself look short, and I couldn't get her to stay up. This one may not be the best bird here, but anybody that raises fallows knows that that's an exceptional fallow. I raise them, and that is a beautiful fallow in excellent condition, no ball spot. That was hiding. This is a very nice cinnamon hen, not quite as nice as one before it, I think. It's a little out of condition, but deserves to be up here. So I think we've gone over these. I think that's it. It's a really wonderful hot day. Thank you.